How do butterfly wing patterns develop? Have you ever marveled at the stunning patterns on butterfly wings? The way they shimmer and change colors is nothing short of fascinating. But how do these patterns actually come to be? Let's break it down. Butterfly wing patterns develop during the pupal stage of their life cycle. At this point, the wings start as transparent tissues. Over time, these tissues grow and transform into the colorful designs we admire in adult butterflies. Initially, the wing tissue is just a simple two-dimensional sheet of cells. These cells communicate with each other through signaling molecules. One key player in this process is Wnt proteins. They help the cells respond to positional cues, guiding the formation of distinct color patterns. This communication is essential for determining where different scale cells will develop and what colors they will produce. The patterns we see are based on a fundamental plan encoded in the butterfly's genome. This plan is regulated by non-coding DNA sequences, often referred to as regulatory DNA. These sequences act like switches, turning specific genes on or off in different parts of the wing. For example, genes such as SPALT and distal-less are known to play a role in forming eye-spot centers. As the wings develop, scale cells produce pigments and structural colors. Pigment deposition occurs after the wing tissue turns whitish due to scale growth. Structural colors come from microscopic structures in the scales that reflected light in unique ways. The arrangement and size of these scales are influenced by long-range signals, such as calcium waves traveling across the wing. Environmental factors also play a role in wing pattern development. Temperature and chemical signals can modify the fate of scale cells, altering the patterns. Hormones like ecdysteroids and cold shock hormones coordinate pattern formation across the wing surface. Understanding these genetic and developmental mechanisms is important for insect breeding programs and conservation efforts. This knowledge allows breeders to predict and sometimes manipulate wing patterns in captive butterfly populations. Such practices can aid in species identification, health monitoring, and maintaining genetic diversity. Insect conservation efforts benefit from this understanding as well. By knowing how environmental changes might impact butterfly populations, we can better protect these beautiful creatures. The development of wing patterns is not just a fascinating process. It is also a key aspect of butterfly biology that connects to broader conservation goals.